Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. Let us first look at the levels given yesterday and with respect to what Nifty and Bank Nifty have done actually today. So the range made by Nifty today is 16,487 high and the 16,347 is the low. So this is the range within which Nifty has moved today. So if you look at it, the levels which we have mentioned yesterday, all the levels on the downside 520, 445 and 380 are achieved. So it's a good day on the downside. Let us now look at a Bank Nifty performance. Made by Bank Nifty today is 35,154. 35,154 is the high made and the low made is 34,834. So within this range, Bank Nifty has moved. If you look at the levels given yesterday, the levels indicated on the downside till 920. This is all the level 35,206, 35,172, 34,920. They're all met. This is a daily chart of Nifty. So here the earlier wider range has been broken on the downside, and there is a important news for tomorrow where it is called RBI monetary policy statement. So the meeting has started yesterday, continued today, and the final outcome of the meeting in the form of statement will be given tomorrow by RBI governor and his deputy governors. So unless there is a huge gap up or gap down, whenever there is a RBI monetary policy, you don't expect get to see gap ups or gap downs, huge gap ups and gap downs, but you may see an increase in volatility and increase in option prices till that policy starts, after which market will swing. Sometimes on both the sides it will eat away on the both side the premium, and if market it is a crucial point, it may take a direction either upward or downwards. So as we have broken this range today and there is an event tomorrow, so it is highly likely, as such, in the current geopolitical situation and current inflation, interest rates are bound to go up. So there will be some sort of repo rate increase from the RBI side, post which all the banks would be transferring that to their customers. So it is highly likely that market may take a direction, especially on the downside. So till which level we may see the fall, at least for tomorrow. Let us go to shorter time frame. So Nifty has broken down from this larger range and closed well below this and exactly around this red line, which was earlier acting as, here it was a resistance. Now today it took a support. So it is most likely that this support may be breached tomorrow post the event, or even while the announcement is being made. So what are the levels we should look on the downside? We should be looking at this level. This level is 16,240 to 16,220. So this is the level we are looking for tomorrow, or latest by day after tomorrow. So the levels possible on the downside 380, 328, 240, and if there is any minor gap up, you may even see 445. Let us now move to Bank Nifty. This is one day chart of Bank Nifty, wherein you can see from the temporary bottom that it has made, it is coming down, and the broader range of till yesterday has been broken down even on Bank Nifty and closed below this range. So being an eventful day with regards to bank tomorrow, you may see huge volatility and a move towards downside. So what are the exact level? Let us look, check the shorter time frame chart. This is 5 minutes time frame chart, and the levels possible on the downside are 34, 920, 834, 664 and 460. On the upside, you may see the levels of 35,072 or 206 maximum till 10:30, beyond which the event would start around 10:30 or 11:30. You can watch on any of the national televisions, like business televisions like CNBC TV 18 or Z Business or Times channel. So it may go up till 12, 12:30 or 1 o'clock sometimes. If there is too many announcement, it may even take 1:30. So during that time, there will be huge volatility, and there will be huge time decay also. So if you want to take trade on that day, be prepared for the volatility, considering that we are in a downtrend from the recent high. So you may, whenever there is a bounce, you may look to sell options, CEs on the upper band around these levels. Whenever Bank Nifty is near in this range, you can look for selling, and whenever don't try to sell options on the downside, that is PEs, because the trend has been, overall trend is negative, and from the last 2 days you can see that the trend has reversed from the particular range. So those who are novice, are new to trading, better to sit out, just observe the tamasha by watching TV and looking at the chart or observing how it market reacts. So those who are relatively experienced and who have witnessed these bi-monthly policies at least 3 to 5 times, and they have traded on that particular day, so though they may use their experience. But the overall trend monthly, weekly and daily is negative, and the view we have taken today um, is most likely to work out tomorrow. So keep these levels in mind, and define your risk. Only keep the amount that you can afford to lose in your trading account, and use stop losses to minimize your losses, and use trailing stop losses to save the part of profits made. That's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.